there are some point of view when we are taking phone message. For example, you can watch the video.
Good morning, Chic Boutique. How may I help you?
I'd like to speak to Mr. Morgan, please.
Who's calling, please?
This is John Wright from International Fashion Supplies.
Sorry, I didn't catch your name.
John Wright. That's W-R-I-G-H-T.
Okay, Mr. Wright. I'll try and put you through. I'm afraid the line's engaged. Would you like to hold?
Can I leave a message?
Certainly.
Could you please tell Mr. Morgan our latest shipment has been delayed and that the 300 dresses he ordered should arrive next Friday?
Dress order delayed. Arriving next Friday.
Yes, and would you please ask him to give me a call as soon as the shipment arrives?
Of course. Could you let me have your number, please?
Yes, it's 01632 96094.
That's 01632 96094.
Yes, that's right. Thanks for your help. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Key phrases. Listen and repeat.
Good morning, Chic Boutique. How may I help you?
I'd like to speak to Mr. Morgan, please.
Who's calling, please? Sorry, I didn't catch your name. Okay, Mr. Wright, I'll put you through. I'm afraid the line's engaged.
Can I leave a message? Would you please ask him to give me a call?
Could you let me have your number, please?
Some point of view when taking a phone message are 1. Greeting and offer a help. 2. Ask the name who's calling. 3. Put through the phone call. 4. Ask a message. 5. Taking a message. Okay guys, thanks for watching and see you next and have a nice day.